In this video, I'll show you how to configure Hotspot service on MikroTik and set up customized pages for Hotspot login. Before starting the video, it's a request to subscribe the channel and like the video and comment out your reviews after watching the video. Let's get started. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very well and Ramadan Mubarak to everybody. Let's get started without wasting any time. Alright, so I'll be showing you in the 4 steps. So step 1 is to configure the IPs, and let me show you the IP addresses. So this one is coming dynamically from the DHCP client. Let me show you the DHCP client here. Okay, you see that, and it's also creating a default route. If you guys are using the static IP address, you will need to configure the route to for the traffic to go outside of the WAN. Alright, so first configure your IP addresses, LAN and WAN. And you guys know I do use Ether 1 and Ether 2 as WAN and Ether 3 as LAN. And the second step is to configure DNS. Here you can configure DNS, and the third step is you set up routes. As I told you, I'm using DHCP client, so the route is already created, but you guys need to create a new one and add gateway here and click apply and OK. And the step 4 is to configure the hotspot service. So there are several methods to configure, like you can just simply configure by clicking the plus sign, but that's a little tricky, or I'll say difficult for new users. So I'll recommend always to use Hotspot setup wizard. Just click here, select the interface, the LAN interface. If you guys are using bridge interface, use bridge interface, click next, and it will automatically pick the IP address. If I show you the LAN address, you see here 50.1, so it's using 50.1 network, and it will also create the rule for masquerading the whole network. And if you have any SSL certificate, you can import and set up here. And next is SMTP server. If you have one, you can set one. And the DNS name, whatever you want to set, I'll set Zonet Solutions .123. And next, and it's asking for the first user. I'm creating with the username admin, the password admin as well. Alright, so our hotspot server is configured. Let's go to the test computer and test the service. Alright, I have here Windows XP Professional as a VM, and it's connected to the LAN network. Let's show you the configuration of it. You can see network adapter is VMnet2, and MikroTik Ether 3 is VMnet2. Yes, you can see here. Okay, so I'm going to open the Internet Explorer. Here you can see it directly jumped to the hotspot login page. I'll need to type the username and the password. Before that, I want to show you something. If you go to the network connection and check the IP address, here you can see the IP address is 192.168.50.253. and assigned by DHCP. So that means our hotspot service is running. Let's go back to the page and try logging in with the default username. Alright, it's connected. You can see I can access the Google page here. So the last thing, let's update the customized page to be used as the hotspot login page. So for that, you need to go to Winbox and then Files, and upload your folder here by drag and drop over here. Make sure you are dropping it on the top of it, not under any folder. Alright, let's close this tab and go back to the server profile and select whatever the folder name is, apply and OK, and then go back and let's test it again. Alright, you can see here it's updated. You can download this theme by the link in the description. Also, I'll give you a bonus as my own customized theme. Let me show you that as well. Okay, so this is my own designed Hotspot theme, and you can download this as well for free. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the login page. You can see here, and you can add it if you know the HTML. And here I have the packages page on the top. User can see these all pages without logging in, and can see packages, can contact you. You can customize it as you want, and there is an about page as well. And if you want to know how to customize these pages, I can create another video for this as well. Just let me know in the comments. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you. Bye bye.